Hi, I'm Nand Kumar from Chennai. Uh, I was diagnosed for diabetic since 2019, and I've been on English medicine since then. And I've been taking sugar tablets every day, morning and night after the meal. And this was going on for the last say 2+ years, and then I decided why not I look out for an alternate other than the English medicine to reduce my sugar levels. And that's when I bumped into this Smartveda product, which was advertised on the social media platforms. So I thought of giving it a try. They have a very unique, interesting product by name Kadwa Amrit, which is specially aimed at people who are diabetic. And I thought of giving it a try, and went online at smartveda.com, and had a very seamless transaction of this particular product. I placed a request and then paid, and I got the product within say about 5 to 6 days. And then I started using this product, Kadwa Amrit, every day, about say 10 grams of Kadwa Amrit powder being mixed in lukewarm water early in the morning. Empty stomach I used to consume it. And over a period of say 2.5 months, when I went for my blood sugar level test, we do this HbA1c test, right? So I could see a drastic change in my blood sugar levels. The HbA1c, earlier it was about 7.5, and after consuming this Kadwa Amrit for the last say 2.5 months or so, it has come down to 6.8. And this has given me a lot of confidence that I can just battle off my sugar levels and be healthy. And not alone that, I was also feeling a little different in terms of the overall body immunity has also improved with this Kadwa Amrit product being taken. This has given me a lot of confidence, and I started also talking to my friends and relatives who are also diabetic, and then started proposing this Kadwa Amrit, and they have also started using this product, and they are seeing some positive results. So I wish Smartveda, the company, to continue this good work, and introduce few more interesting products which diabetic patients can use and get benefit out of that. Best wishes to Smartveda team. Thanks a lot.